Hi everyone, how are you? Today we have chapter 2, exploration of teaching. As usual, each chapter has different questions to deal with them. So there are many questions including in chapter 2. What are ways to explore teaching? How can teachers explore teaching through self-development, self-observation? How can teachers explore their teaching through observation of other teachers? Here there is a link. How can teachers explore the teaching through talk, and how can teachers explore through writing journal? So these last three questions, there is a link in order to see it. What are ways to explore teaching? Some of the ways that our teacher can explore our teaching, beliefs, and practice. These ways, the exploration of other teachers, self-observation, talking to other teachers, and helping and keeping a teacher journal. One rather obvious way we can develop our teaching is to read professional books and journals on teaching and learning languages. So each one, in order to, if someone decide as teachers decide to develop themselves, you should or there should be go to the books and journals or attending a conference. So the first point, you should read professional books and journals on teaching and learning languages. Reading these books, for example, will help you to gain knowledge about ESL, EFL teaching. 2. Read teacher narrative. In addition to a single author books, many analogies are available. These analogies cover a variety of topics relevant to the field, for example, methodology in language teaching. This is the example of the book. An analogy of current practice includes chapters. Each book has chapters by different authors on the such topics, such as here we have many topics inside the books, such as lesson planning, classroom management, mixed level teaching, cooperative learning, task-based language teaching, project work, learning strategies, technologies in the classroom. And then you have assessment and professional development, as well as the teaching pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are very important for skills in language development. Here we have the third point about related to the how to develop the ways of development of teaching and ourselves as teachers is to attend professional conferences. Conferences, it means that large meeting, whose the teachers come or go there in order to sharing their information. These are opportunities to these are good opportunities to hear what teachers in your own areas are doing what they are doing in their classrooms. Number 4, another way to explore our teacher is through establishing a monitoring relationship with another teachers. Today, monitoring. What is the meaning of monitoring? Monitoring is interpersonal, ongoing, situated, supportive and operative professional relationship between two or more individuals. One of whom monitor has more experience in the profession, craft, or skills in question. Number 5, a teaching portfolio. These teachers reflect on what they have learned in the program. A portfolio helps teacher make sense of what they have learned, demonstrates their competencies, and recognizing the complexities of learning to teach. 6. Another way to explore our teaching as language teachers is to learn another language. Bailey, Christ, and Nonan in 10 points out several advantages to doing this. First, we can better understand the challenges that the learners face. Second, we can gain more insight into understanding language. And third, by assuming the role of the learner of learner, we can gain insight into ways of teaching that seem to work and don't work, at least within our language learning setting. Number 7, another approach teachers use to explore teaching is action research, as approaching that the central to the problem posing. The cycling process include posing problems based on what of going on and teaching in teacher's classroom within a school or beyond, systematically working through the problem by initiating a plan of action reflecting on on degree to which the plan works, and then posing a new problem based on awareness generates of the teaching and classroom interaction. Number 8, observation is another way to explore and develop our teaching, including A. Observation of other teachers and observation of self-observation. 10. Talking to other teachers about the teaching we observe is also a way to explore new possibilities in our teaching. 11. Keep a teacher journals, as the writing about the teaching in a journal. I write about each of these ways, 4 ways to explore our teaching. Thank you for your listening. This is the conclusion. These are the main 11 ways as mentioned in your box. Thank you for your attention. And next you should prepare how the teacher explore teaching through self-observation. Best wishes, stay safe and healthy.